Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So Roshain more reviews. Just in a quick video. So one of the recent thing the KCMC did, which is Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Council, they started to place brick on some of the minor roads. This is one of the lanes leading off King Street. So what they're doing is paving it with bricks, and then they'll also paint the walls. I think they're supposed to get an artist from Mexico to help as well to create murals on the walls. All this is done at a cost over 20 million, but they're saying the aim is really to boost tourists, to boost some liveliness in downtown, and create something that persons can come look at, take pictures of, do a music video, a photo shoot. So they're currently in the process of paving some of the lanes into brick, and then they're going to paint the walls as well. So let me know what you think about this. Let me know your thoughts. Paintings and drawings will be on the wall with the aim of creating some tourist attraction with a music video, photo shoot. So very quick video guys. Roshain more review. Definitely leave your comments. Remember to like and share this video as well.